Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and this is my recap of the top 8 videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video I made this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have the interest rate for the US dollar tonight, this evening, and it actually was a very clear setup. If you were participating in my live stream tonight, then you definitely probably had a really nice short on the dollar pairs. I mean, it was definitely three ways up and then kind of a three-way pattern down and then five ways up. It kind of looks like a running flat. Then it made a nice ABC correction. It seems to be holding below the 78%, so I personally would definitely be looking for shorts, especially at the end of pullbacks. I wouldn't go short now for sure, but if the market does make a pullback, maybe throughout the Asian session or something like that, I would definitely continue to look for shorts because I think there's a pretty good chance that this will continue the downtrend, at least for the next few trading days. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.